Hello, my tea friend. I hope you are doing well today. So, we are discussing red flags in women while dating. Okay? So, I suggest that you actually share this video with all the men in your life, your uncles, your nephews, your sons, because I pray that they will be, have a little insight on red flags that they should look for in women. Okay. So the first red flag, gentlemen, would be a woman that consistently asks you for money. She wants you to pay her bills, sir. Listen, she's like, can you pay my credit card bill? Could you buy me a handbag? Could you pay for me to go to Jamaica? Can you pay for me to get my hair and nails done? Ma'am, he just met you 2 weeks ago and you asking him for money. That's not right. That's wrong. Okay, listen, gentlemen, look out for that. That is a red flag. Because who was paying for her nails and her bills before she met you 2 weeks ago? She was. Listen, don't fall for that. Now, if that's something you want to do, that's different. But that is a red flag. The second red flag would be a woman that insists on you taking her to fancy restaurants all the time. She says to you, listen, I don't do Starbucks. Oh, no. Oh, no, not me. I can't do the Starbucks thing, okay? But Ruth Chris Steakhouse, I would love to go there. That's a red flag, sir. Because she probably have never even been to Ruth Chris Steakhouse. Okay? Listen, you take her down there to IHOP or Cheesecake Factory or, or Denny's. She'll be fine. She can get a steak at Denny's. That's no problem. And then you could be able to test her character, right? See if she's going to love you whether you buy her a Big Mac or whether you buy her a steak. Okay? The same way we tell women to test the man out and see, what his character is, it's the same thing for men. You guys should do the exact same thing to women. Okay? Test it out. See whether or not she's going to love you, whether you are on top of the mountain or whether you are in the valley. Whether you are making $40,000 a year or $250,000 a year or somewhere in the middle. See whether or not she will still love you if you sneeze too many times in a row. Listen, she may be out the door because she probably thinking he may catch pneumonia. I'm not taking care of this man. Oh, no. What if you lose your job? God forbid, right? What if you can't afford to do all of these wonderful things that she desires? Will she still love you then? Will she still be a support and love you and be okay with the fact that you can't afford anymore to take her to fancy restaurants or get her nails and hair done? Will she still love you through that time, through that season of your life when you get laid off from work, when you get sick, right? When something happens to you, something tragic happens in your family, right? And you have to maybe help them and support them. Will she still love you? Those are the things that you have to think about. But I know you're thinking, listen, but she's cute. She looks good. Okay, she will look good draining your bank account. Okay? And what if you don't even have a bank account? Listen, what if you have not reached that stage of life? Maybe you're going through a struggle. Maybe you were laid off. Maybe you had, something happened to you. You became ill and couldn't work. Okay, will she still be there standing strong with you? Will she still be there for you? Or you come home and she has packed up all the beautiful clothes and the beautiful handbags that you have purchased for her and she's gone. Okay, she has left you standing there with your pink note from your job because you can no longer give her the finances that you once could. Now, that is a serious red flag. Just be on the lookout for it, okay? Just be cautious. Just be aware of those things, okay? Listen, men, be encouraged. Keep your head up. Keep working hard. Keep doing what God has called you to do, okay? Stand strong, stand firm, and do not ever give up before the miracle happens. God bless. Bye.